Hi, this is Rob from YourAutoFix.com. Before we start the video, we'd like to thank you for watching. We'd also like to ask you to please like, subscribe, and share on social media, and visit us at YourAutoFix.com. Today we're going to show you how to clean the evaporator coil on your Tacoma. This will be good for years 95 through 2004. Cleaning your evaporator coil can help with smells on the inside of your vehicle and also help to provide better cooling. Let's get started. Here's what we're going to use to clean our evaporator coil today. You can pretty much find this at any local parts store for under $20. We'll also put a link in the description. First, you're going to want to begin by locating your refrigerant lines, which are located right over here. And then you're going to want to find your evaporator drain, which we'll zoom in on a little bit, which is located down over here. We'll zoom in a little more. And you can see it right over here. This is our drain right over here. And you could find yours, you could actually turn on your air conditioning and you'll feel some air coming out here. On most of them, you'll find it located on the firewall, or it might be possibly on the underneath side of your vehicle. And also, if you turn on your air conditioner, you will see some water draining out of this, especially if it's humid where you're at. First, you're going to want to get started by thoroughly shaking the can. After you've thoroughly shaken the can, the hose adapter kit that came with, you're going to go ahead and put it on the top of the can here. And now we're ready to go ahead and insert this into the evaporator coil. Okay, we'll start off by taking our hose and inserting it into our evaporator drain. And you're going to want to put the hose as far as it goes. It's right there is good. Now we're ready to start spraying it in the can here. We'll zoom back out. And you're going to want to unload the whole can into it. So we'll go ahead and start spraying. And it's going in there, and we're going to go ahead and fill the whole entire evaporator coil. Okay, now we've unloaded the whole can in there, and you might want to put something on the underneath so whatever drips out, it'll get caught if it bothers you, or let it all go. Once you unload all the contents of the can into the evaporator drain, make sure you let it sit for 15 minutes before starting the vehicle. Okay, now that we've let it sit for 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and turn on the vehicle, and we're going to turn on the air conditioner to the lowest setting and let it run for another 5 minutes. So now we have our air conditioner on, and we're going to let it run for 5 minutes now, and you'll notice some foam starting to drain out of the evaporator drain. And you'll also notice another odor coming out of the vents as it's draining. Okay, and it's pretty much as simple as that. Once again, we'd like to thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share on social media, and visit us at YourAutoFix.com.